So we have some update. We have an update here, an updated piece of information in an ongoing saga. So in the great state, the wonderful state of Texas, the Republican psychopath Attorney General Ken Paxton, who recently released this suggestion to the governor to basically declare all trans-related healthcare for anyone under the age of 18 to be child abuse. Now, again, you're allowed, get the bill, or like, it's not a bill, it's an interpretation of an already existing bill or law. But it says that it bans otherwise healthy body parts from being removed. So the bill, or the interpretation, bans circumcision, right? It bans circumcision. But are they sending in child protective services against parents who have their kids circumcised? I don't think so, right? So we live in this very strange world where people think it's like just okay to send like Gestapo neo-Nazi forces to like, have people check in on kids and have their kids taken away because they happen to be trans. Again, it's a tactic that is trying to endorse and enable genocide in this country. So that happened, and then Joe Biden's administration was like, hey, cut it out. They didn't really do anything. They mentioned it. They released a statement that said, yeah, don't do that. So, now Ken Paxton responds here, with this nonsense. So he is apparently suing the Biden administration. And this is just a way to get this to the Supreme Court. That's all this is. This is just this is just a way to try to get this through the court system, and then a judge is going to have to rule on whether or not like it's child abuse to let your kid go to the doctor. That's the world we live in. Is taking your child to the doctor abusive? This is the same group of people that doesn't wash their hands. Same group of people that won't take a vaccine for a pandemic and deadly virus. Now they want to make it abuse to take your child to the doctor. It's incredible. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton filed an amended lawsuit against the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services regarding new guidance that empowers the federal government to withhold federal funding from state entities that do not adhere to their misinterpretation of the Affordable Care Act, the Rehabilitation Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act. Specifically, the guidance states that doctors, medical providers, or other related medical staff who report, quote, sex change procedures and the administration of puberty blockers to minors as child abuse may violate federal law, even though state law says that such procedures can in fact constitute child abuse. So again, just a bunch of stupid garbage. The recent guidance comes in addition to Biden's June 15, 2021 guidance that also attacked employers, forcing them to allow exceptions from the generally applicable workplace policies on usage of bathrooms, locker rooms, and showers, collectively bathrooms, dress codes, and pronoun usage based on the subject. So now Ken Paxton is trying to broaden this to make using a bathroom illegal in Texas. Using a locker room or a shower is illegal. Like mandatory dress codes. like again, this is the freedom, guys. Like, you have to wear certain clothes and go to certain bathrooms and have certain pronouns, or else we're going to send you to jail. If you send your kid to the doctor, you're going to go to jail. That's the freedom crew. So anyway, he is trying to get this is all building his profile, building a precedent here. And the only people suffering as a result are trans people and the parents of trans people. And, we're just pawns in, like, a bunch of people's power plays to try to, the fascists want to take over the country, and they're just going to, like, do the whole fascist thing, and then you have, like, liberals that don't even really care. Like, Joe Biden is just like, yeah, you probably shouldn't do that. Cut it out! Like, Hillary Clinton style. So no one really cares. It's just, like, trans people are just, like, chess pieces. And it's embarrassing and it's sad, but, this is the state of the world that we live in.